Item number 1.
This is your lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, we filed the report because we want to abandon that project. However, against that report, they have filed the affidavit, giving also a proposal for a compromise. So we have forwarded that additional affidavit to the department concerned. We are yet to receive instruction. If this matter can be taken up on some other day, Your Lordship.
There was an effort to compromise this matter, isn't it? But then it failed.
It failed, Your Lordship. Now they have made a proposal. So that proposal was forwarded by us to the state government, Your Lordship. So we are awaiting instruction, Your Lordship. If there is no compromise, Lordship, then Lordship will kindly proceed with the hearing on merits, Your Lordship.
You have filed your...
My lord, I filed my affidavit. I've taken my ground on merits also. Even since the government expressed difficulties of financial difficulties, the writ petitioner also appreciate the difficulties of the government. And since under the JJM scheme also, they have some money, along with the damages they have already calculated at the disposal of the Deputy Commissioner. If that also for balance agreement between the parties, it can be closed in that way. So that proposal, that statement also given. So on that ground, the learned EAG sought the opinion of the government, and it's perhaps government is thinking about that. Matter may come up next week, madam.
So we'll go
Then may proceed forward.
Compromise. It's better.
in fact,
Yes, madam. Otherwise, we can proceed on minutes.
so we'll just say that there's once again there's an effort for the matter to be settled between the parties.
There is a proposal, Your Lordship, in their affidavit. So that proposal we have communicated to the department.
Fine. So you
It
take
is for the department, Your Lordship, to take a call whether they would like to
yes, of course, that is up to
settle
you.
the matter or not, Your Lordship.
Mr. Samrisul, Senior Counsel for the appellant, has submitted that in his affidavit, in his additional affidavit, a proposal has been made to the state respondent and the concerned department for a settlement outside court as far as the issue here is concerned. Issue of compromise of compensation.
Payment of compensation.
As far as the issue of
apart
payment,
from the merits of the case, we propose.
as far as the issue of payment of compensation is concerned, Mr. Indishwara AG has submitted that the proposal has been forwarded to the concerned department, which response is awaited. Accordingly, on prayer made by parties, this is matter up to 2 weeks.
Apply, my Lordship.
My lord, after 10 days, it's a very, from 2016 litigation, and most of the petitioners are aged people, 80 years, 70 years. My lord.
It'll come after vacation then.
And after vacation would be too long, my
See,
lordship.
once you said for settlement, do you expect it to come? What is the use of asking for time in piecemeal? Is there any
Last time also they have taken time because of that.
concrete settlement?
We filed, Your Lordship. We filed long time back that we would like, because there is no justification, Your Lordship. If we go by the assessment of the Deputy Commissioner, it comes to,
Anyway,
with interest only, it comes to 100
We are
crores.
not on the merits. Sir.
On
Lordship,
merits,
yes.
on merits leaving aside.
If there is the spirit of compromise, then it has to be a give and take.
They filed recently, Your Lordship, so also,
So you take your time.
Your Lordship, yes.
Maybe after 2 weeks, my lord. Case, my lord.
After 2
Let
weeks.
us see the
Alright.
government, otherwise.
Apply, Your Lordship.
My lord.
Item number 2.
This is a criminal appeal 302. It will be time consuming, so I don't know if this court will take up now or maybe after the vacation. Important issues of law also is involved. Just had a discussion with senior colleague.
We'll go after vacation then. Pray made by the parties. This is matter up to vacation.
Much.
Yes.
To mention item number 13, Lordship, hearing list. Two weeks, Lordship.
After vacation, Your Lordship, then.
On pre-made by the petitioner, this is matter of the vacation.
Of law, Your Lord.
To make a mention of item 9 of the hearing list. My lord, here what happened, my lord? This is regarding the taking over of the district council schools, my lord. So for the relevant area, I've got the list, my lord. So if this honorable court allows, my lord, I may be allowed to bring it on record by way of an additional affidavit.
But that, I think that submission has been made, I think, last time also.
Yes, my lord. No, I have the list. If, my lord, if it is permitted, I'll be...
Lordship, the contention was, my lord, that my school was not taken over by the state government. But I have the information received via RTI, my lord, if I might be able to produce before this court, my lord. So, in fact, I did my learned friend a favor because last time she was seeking time. His contention was that the school was not taken over by the state government. But as per the information received, my lord,
the service of the petition.
So you have the list with you.
Yes, ma'am.
And
I have an information, my lord, that the
what you
school
can
was
do-
taken over.
What
my
you
lord.
can do is, we'll allow him to file that list by way of affidavit.
Lordship.
And you can file your rejoinder and include
Lordship.
whatever you have in that.
Because, my lord, this was the stand which was taken in the first round of litigation also.
So we'll see.
Lordship.
And the court has gone through it also.
Mr. P. Versatile Leonard J has submitted the list which is sought to be brought before the school away an affidavit could not be filed today. It is prayed that some accommodation will be granted in this regard. Mr. E.G. Moomin, Learned Counsel for the petitioner, has also submitted that he may be allowed to file a rejoinder to the same if so filed, and also to incorporate his own document, which would be document as far as the case of the petitioner is concerned. On pre-meet, same is allowed. This is matter of the 2 weeks.
Lordship.
It may come after vacation, my lord.
This is matter of the vacation.
My lord, if I may suggest, but I craves my lord's indulgence. My lord, he can also file an additional affidavit of the same thing.
He can do that, or he can respond to you. If
We'll reply to that affidavit.
Yeah, because if it is a counter to,
Lordship.
if I can understand, it would be a counter to your list.
Lordship.
So you do that,
Lordship.
give him a copy.
Lordship. Highly obliged, my lord.
Obliged.
May it please your lordship. Lordship, I beg to make a mention of item 10.
This is the matter that is pending before the
The division bench, lordship.
vacation,
Lordship,
pre-made by the petitioner. This is matter of the vacation.
much obliged, lordship. Lordship, a similar prayer for item 15.
May I please, your lordship, this is a review petition, my lord.
Lordship, I'm praying if this
Very
matter
urgent,
maybe
and he is
may come
already
next
here,
week.
Mr. In that case, Monday, it is urgency is there, my lord. Is out of service, so it may be come up on Monday.
Let it come to 1 week then. As you,
Lordship, 1 week.
On Monday.
but be sure you
Lordship.
get it done. On pre-made by the petitioner, this is matter of the 1 week.
Highly obliged, lordship.
May it please your lordship, I beg to mention item number 16, my lord. Item number 16 here, my lord, we have already filed a written argument, your lordship.
Then what remains?
My
Lordship,
lord, here we are still in the maintainability of our appeal, my lord. So, lordship this matter was heard, and the appellant, my lord, we have already filed our written submission. The matter has been delayed because the respondent has not filed their written submission, my lord. So, once they file, my lord, lordship
we have
will
already
decide.
filed, your lordship.
It's been filed. So, my lord,
Already been filed, your lordship.
accordingly, if lordship offence
see
necessary.
again.
If it's maintainable, my lord, the matter will
Then
take its course.
then you have to refresh the code again.
My lord,
This
we are
matter
still in
has
the
been going-
maintainability of the writ.
Exactly. Now submission has been heard. Yeah. Now you file your written argument.
Or my lord, if I suggest, my lord, based on the written submission which we have filed before this honorable court, matter can be taken up again, my lord. So short argument may be advanced.
What would you? Right. We'll list it after 2 weeks then. Pray meet with the parties. This is matter after 2 weeks. You've received the copy?
My lord, we have received. We have received, my lord.
Fine.
Wait, please, Your Lordship. I should like to mention item number 3, 4, and 5, the connected matters. As you may recall, these matters are for quashing, but we have submitted that we have tried to compound the offence. So, Your Lordship,
in this case, just I got the instruction that's
No,
it
just
is
let
on
him.
process.
What is the latest?
So latest is here all the formalities completed now to just to pass the order.
Just to pass the order, Your Lordship.
Oh. Okay. What about 6, 7, and 8?
Lordship,
Yet to file any petition, my lord.
Lordship, 7, 8, because these are based on Manipur and because the prevailing situation, we cannot take any
And what
steps.
about 6?
6, we've taken steps, it will take some time, Your Lordship. We've already filed the applications for compounding.
Have you?
So you will see, just I got the instruction that this is under process and 3, 4, 5 already is almost finished just to pass order, and rest of the things is under process.
So the contentious cases rather would be only as far as 7 and 8 is concerned. This has to be heard. No, as far as 7 and 8 is concerned, so these cases has to be heard.
My lord, the matter was heard at length, my lord. And
Okay.
as far as the maintainability of this case is concerned. And now, my lord, the petitioner wants to file a compounding petition for the
Oh.
C.
Okay.
But till date, they have not filed the petition, my lord.
Oh, because of this
The situation prevailing there.
Let it come, of course.
No, as far as 3, 4, and 5 are concerned,
3, 4, 5 will concern that's
order has already been passed.
no, already not all the formalities completed. Now formal order will be passed.
ROC order has not been passed.
Not yet. RDO is to pass order. RDO is not yet passed the order. So it will be passed very soon.
3, 4, and 5, if the matter can be expedited, Your Lordship, because it's been pending for quite some time now.
That's what it's up to you.
You will see it will be passed very soon. Maybe within 2 weeks.
2 weeks. Then.
2 weeks.
2 weeks. Please try to get it done.
My lord, as far as 7 and 8 is concerned, my lord, let it come after vacation, my lord.
Vacation. On premier by the parties. And up to 3, 4, 5, and 6. This is matter after 2 weeks. 7 and 8. This is the matter after vacation.
Lordship.
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 11, Lordship. I pray that matter may come after 3 weeks, Lordship.
No objection, Your Lordship.
On premier by petitioner, this is matter after 3 weeks.
Obliged, Lordship.
May I please, Your Lordship? I beg to mention item 14. Lordship, I'm praying that this matter may come after vacation.
On premier by the petitioner, this is matter after vacation.
Only obliged.
Practically nothing is there. Yes.
From supplementary list, item number 1.
May please your lordship. Also, this is a bail application under section 439. Now the fact of the case is that, my lord, on 18th May 2023, my lord, police of Barnyard had conducted a naka, and my lord, a tourist vehicle was being, local taxi was being intercepted, and the occupants were 2 passengers and a driver. On being searched, my lord, 3 number of soap case was being allegedly recovered from one of the passenger, and another 3 from another passenger. And my lord, after all the formalities, my lord, it was found that it was on the preliminary test, my lord, conducted. They concluded that it was heroin, my lord, and the quantity was from my accused person, the present accused person, my lord, the petitioner here, 33 gram, my lord, 33.58 gram was being, my lord, seized in this case. So, my lord, accordingly, the police registered a case under section 21B, read with section 29, my lord. It's a case of intermediate. However, intermediate it may sound, my lord, the quantity is very near to the small quantity, very far away from the commercial quantity. Be that as it may, my lord, I'm not entering into the merit of the case. My respectful submission would be, my lord, he was arrested on 15th May, and the case was charged sheeted in the month of June, the next month, my lord. I have received a copy. The magistrate has taken cognizance of the case, but till now no charges have been framed, my lord. I am the only breadwinner of the family, my lord, and I am working as a staff in an archery counter, my lord. I have got 2 minor sons, school-going children, and an illiterate wife, my lord. So, my lord, and I don't have any past criminal records, my lord. So I respectfully pray, my lord, I may be enlarged on bail on strictest condition, my lord, and if the petition is found to be repeat or violate the bail condition, my lord, the same may be cancelled, my lord. That is my respectful prayer, my lord.
May persist, your lordship.
I'm sorry, my lord. I'm relying on the judgment of this very court, my lord. 2 weeks back, my lord, where all the Supreme Court judgments in the similar situations, section 21B, read with section 29. I did.
Yes, Mr.
May it please your lordship. Lordship, the admitted fact is that a charge sheet had been filed, your lordship. So let me have instruction, your lordship. What is the stage of the proceeding at present?
See, Mr. Guru, you know very well. See, once a charge sheet is filed, you have to argue on merits.
Lordship, if the matter comes on Tuesday, your lordship, I'll have
in that case, I can argue right now, my lord, on merit. There is a fatal.
Let it come on Tuesday, your lordship. Let me have instruction. What is the?
Because the records may have.
My lord, my lord.
In fact, the CD.
Lordship, I'll. Then if that be, then let it be on 6th, your lordship.
On Monday, my lord.
Monday. Today is Friday, so may not be. Let it
It
be
is
on.
a case from which?
Ribhoy district, your lordship. Let it be on 6th, your lordship.
My lord, yes.
On 6th.
6th. Or Mr. Argun, Direct Counsel for the petitioner, who has submitted that this is an application under section 439 CRPC with a prayer for grant of bail. In favor of the accused person who is represented by the petitioner herein. Accused person Shri Sohan Gurung, who is represented by the petitioner herein.
Petitioner is the wife, man.
The related PS case is PS case number 55/5 of 2023 under section 21 under bracket B/29 NDPS Act. It is, however, submitted that the IO investigating officer has since filed his charge sheet, and the matter is now registered. And the matter is now pending before the Court of the Learned Special Judge NDPS at Riboi, at Nongpo Riboi district. What's the case number?
NDPS case number 16 of 2023.
NDPS case number 16 of 2023. Mr. N.D. Shulai, Learned AG, has submitted that the prosecution may be allowed to seek instruction as far as this matter is concerned, and more particularly that a copy of the CD may be allowed to be produced for this court on the next date fix. As prayed for, let the CD and related documents be filed before this court, be placed before this court on the next date fix. This is matter on 6.
On 6, Your Lordship. Apply, Your Lordship.
Item number 3.
May it please Your Lordship. Lordship, before my friends start, Your Lordship, it's very unfortunate, Your Lordship. If Lordship kindly come to paragraph 3, Your Lordship, of the petition, Lordship. The petition has changed has amended the CRPC, Your Lordship, it seems. Lordship, kindly see paragraph 3.
Yeah.
Lordship, from third sentence from the bottom, pursuant to the same. Lordship has got it.
Yes.
The accused person was produced before this honorable court. Lordship, what is this, Your Lordship? This is a bail application when the accused has been produced before this High Court. Then, Lordship, can you come to paragraph 4, Your Lordship?
Yes.
Paragraph 4, Lordship, from the top, Your Lordship, 1, 2, 3. 3, Your Lordship, pursuant to which charges were framed against the accused person by this honorable court. What is this, Your Lordship?
Your Lordship, I was about to mention in the initial stage about this, Your Lordship.
This, Your Lordship?
This is a typographical error, Your Lordship.
It's a copy paste.
Your Lordship, just these two paragraphs,
Everything
instead
is
of
copy
learned
paste,
trial
Your
court, Your Lordship, it has been mentioned this honorable court.
Correct.
Your
And
Lordship.
then another aspect also, Your Lordship, even the petition also is incomplete. There is no charge sheet, or there is no FIR, there is no charge sheet, Your Lordship. It has been charge sheeted, and there are 8 witnesses. Out of 8, 4 had already been recorded by the learned trial court. It is their statement made.
Charge sheet has been filed, Your Lordship, and 4 witnesses have already been examined.
Your Lordship.
Your Lordship, in this matter, I am relying on some procedural lapses. As such, I am praying Your Lordship may kindly call for the records, Your Lordship. That's why I am not.
You first correct the petition.
I'll correct the petition, Your Lordship.
Lordship, so far that lapses on section 42, I have an answer, Your Lordship.
That will look.
I have an answer.
Your Lordship, if Your Lordship kindly allows me to submit, Your Lordship, I will make the changes of these 2 paras by today itself, Your Lordship.
Lordship, where is the FIR? Where is the charge sheet, Your Lordship?
That has to be.
Where is the evidence of those 4 witnesses, Your Lordship?
Your Lordship, the evidence of those 4 witnesses are not being relied by me, Your Lordship. I'm relying only on that intermediate quantity is being seized in this one. Co-accused has already been released on bail, Your Lordship. If I may kindly be allowed to submit, if Your Lordship kindly hears me, Your Lordship, by today itself I'll change the.
As has been pointed out,
Your Lordship,
the petition is already defective.
Yes.
So that would not be proper.
I'll make the corrections, Your Lordship.
Well, everything should be in order.
Order.
Then we can proceed.
Your Lordship.
At the outset, Mr. Legal Counsel for the petitioner has submitted that there has occurred typographical error while in the presentation of this petition, and as such the same may be allowed to be corrected before this matter is heard. As prayed for, let the said correction be made and the matter to be heard on the next date fix. This is matter on 5th. I'll give you 1 day's time to file.
Apply, Your Lordship.
Highly.
Item number 4.
I think I'll have to. It's the same matter.
Well, yes. Earlier they have come away with a second appeal. Now they have withdrawn it by revision. But they have come away with revision.
Does this matter before any other bench or me?
From the main list, item number 1.
Your Lordship, in this case, I need some time, Your Lordship.
Oh, this is that contentment board matter. You are appearing for the contentment.
I'm for 3 and 4.
What is this matter about?
This matter is
The illegal construction.
illegal construction. We're given demolition notice for
Mr. R. Depnath, Leonard CGC has submitted that that the counter affidavit on behalf of the respondents 1 and 2 could not be filed today and has sought for some time for the same to be filed. On premium, the same is allowed. This is matter to 3 weeks.
Item number 2.
Please, Your Lordship, steps already taken for respondent number 4 and check on the status. It's already delivered the notice.
Have you filed your affidavit of service?
Not yet, Your Lordship. I'll file it.
Who's respondent 4?
4 is the headman and secretary of the Maukasang village.
Okay.
As it is, Your Lordship, I am not seeking any relief from the respondent number 4. But it is just a party where there is a dispute. So
You could have made them perform a respondent. Number
no,
1.
but there is a dispute between us. But this petition is only for a direction to dispose of the objection against the the deed that I have submitted.
Yes.
So that is the only
May I
thing.
please?
Is Section 77 of the Registration Act involved?
No, nothing.
May I please, Your Lordship? I received the parawise comment yesterday, so I need some more time to file the affidavit.
Okay. In fact,
Because, Your Lordship, it is regarding title suit, so I present appearance of the admin is also required. Not appearance, his representation is also required.
Yes, Marpan. So, Mr. Marpan, you filed your
In the meantime, yes. I'll file it. Just give me a week. I'll file it by Monday, Tuesday.
General Counsel for the petitioner has submitted that the notice issued upon the respondent number 4 has been affected and confirmation of the same has been received by the petitioner. However, it is prayed that the acknowledgement of the said notice may be allowed to be filed by way of affidavit of service before this court. Pray aloud. Ms. S. Chaji Leonard GA has submitted that the counter affidavit as far as the respondent 1, 2 and 3 are concerned could not be filed today and has sought for some time for the same to be filed. Allowed. On preamble, this is matter of 2 weeks.
Pleasure.
Item number 12.
It is Your Lordship. Your Lordship, the conducted counsel, Mr. Purbin, he's on next.
And who's appearing for the other side?
For the state respondent, Your Lordship.
You're for state?
Yes, Your Lordship.
Your Lordship will list this matter after 2 weeks, Your Lordship.
Let it go after vacation then.
Your Lordship.
Premier with the parties, list this matter after 3 weeks.
Much obliged, Your Lordship.